What if the greatest discoveries of our time weren't discoveries at all? We probe the edge of the solar system, marveling at blue-green, watery worlds, unaware the descriptions match texts written 6,000 years ago. We unlock the secrets of DNA, only to find ancient legends speaking of genetic engineering. The Book of Genesis. We think we know the story of creation, but what if it's merely the echo, a condensed version of a far older, vastly more detailed history? A scientific account, etched in clay by the ancient Sumerians. They described a colossal cosmic war in our own solar system, a battle that shattered a planet called Tiamat, creating Earth from one half, the asteroid belt from the other, and flung its moon into our orbit. Does this ancient myth explain the mysteries that still baffle modern astronomy? They spoke of the Anunnaki, beings from a 12th planet, Nibiru, arriving on Earth hundreds of thousands of years ago, gods who walked among us and needed servants. Genesis says the Elohim, plural gods, created man in their image. The Sumerian texts detail the process, taking an existing hominid and upgrading it with their divine genetic blueprint. Was Adam the first genetically engineered being? Was Eve's creation from a rib actually advanced biological science? Is the evidence only in ancient texts, or did they leave markers elsewhere? Strange geometric patterns on Mars, massive structures eroded by time, a colossal face staring skyward, dated by some analysts to the exact period the Anunnaki were said to be active. An ancient outpost? Why the inexplicable loss of the Phobos 2 probe as it neared the Martian moon? Why the sudden, intense focus by world superpowers on returning to Mars together? Why the hushed development of space-based defenses against an outside threat? Zecharia Sitchin meticulously connects the breakthroughs of modern science with the explicit details of ancient records. Genesis Revisited presents the startling evidence. Are we merely catching up to a history we were never meant to forget?